Now let's check whether this iron is working or not before disassembling. Now as you can see, the LED is turned on, so it is working. You can see three-phase wire passing through. This red wire represents the live wire. This black one represents the neutral wire. This green one represents the earthing wire. Here you can see a neon bulb connected in parallel to the red black wire with heating element. The other terminal of this bulb is connected in parallel to the red wire with this heating element. This heating element is made up of nichrome wire around the sheet of mica, which has high resistance and high temperature endurance. Since for a fixed current, heat produced is directly proportional to the resistance, so this makes it ideal for use in the electric iron. This is the thermostat, which controls the temperature of the heating element. It consists of a bimetallic strip which have different expansion coefficients. One has a higher where the other has a lower coefficient of thermal expansion. So the strip with lower expansion coefficient bends more, which breaks the contact between the strip one, that is the strip with higher expansion coefficient, and the red wire. Above a particular threshold temperature. Using this knob, we can adjust the temperature of the electric iron according to our needs. This knob is connected to a screw that controls how hard the contact of upper metallic strip must bend to break the electrical connection between strip 1 and live wire to turn the electrical iron off. Okay. Now since we are done with the working principle of the iron, now let's reassemble it. Now as you can see, the light has turned on, so it is working perfectly.